Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you a quick turn around in this song We Fall Down by Donnie McClurkin. You know the song. But the part that says, "For a saint is just a sinner who fell down but got back up." You know it? Alright, so I'm going to show you another way to play this. So I'm going to show you this. Right? So the first chord would be for a saint, right? The right hand is playing this, the left hand is playing this. For a saint is just, the right hand is playing that, and the left hand is playing that, right? So for the saint is just a sin. So the right hand, left hand. So for the saint is just a sinner. The right hand. The left hand. So for a saint is just a sinner who. So we have this chord, and then left hand. For a saint is just a sinner who fell, right? So the right hand and left hand. And we could also do, instead of playing that, we could play. So for a sinner, may take a while to get used to it, but just practice it. It's just chromatics from the one, the A flat, right down to the D. That's when you hit this. Or so who fell? Now we need to go to down. So it's all up to you. You want to voice this. If you want to voice it that way. Let me just show you that way. So the right hand is playing this, and the left hand is playing that. Alright, we end on the 6. So we have, for the saint is just a sinner who fell down, but got back up. So guys, give it a shot and let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see more, I have another video for you. Check it out.